my name is Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. Today is Mask Monday, and as you can see, I have a special guest.
You all thought it was Tuesday Tag because I was here, didn't you?
Don't talk till I say. Anyways, guys, as you can probably hear, I am losing my voice just a little bit. Anyways, so I thought what we would do today is bring my husband Steve, or Mr. Chaos, in to do a face mask with us, and he does have one for men he's going to show you. You want to show him your mask now? Tell him about it.
It's a Yes To mask. Charcoal detox. So
charcoal detox, and it's for men.
Yes, for it's a man. Where?
Right here. Natural man.
Yes, natural man. It's got a picture of a guy right here.
Yeah, so he's going to do that. And then I have a great big box of stuff that I got from one of the Boxycharm drop sales. So he is going to show you guys what I got with my help just a little bit, but I thought that would be fun and then a good way for me not to lose what I have left of my voice. So he has his mask. I am using a Glam Up Radiant Tomato Skin Brightening Mask. My daughter bought me a huge packet of masks, and this is one of them that was in there. So for this one, I've already washed and toned my skin. I know you haven't, it's okay. We're going to put this on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we just rub in the remaining essence. So let us get our mask on, and then we will show you what I got in my Dropbox sale. Maybe, no, we can get a silicone mask holder out of there.
Right.
Are you leaving it? It doesn't hang like that. You got to put it on it. What do you think?
It's cold.
It's cold. Do you want one of my silicone face mask holders so you don't have to worry about it falling off?
I don't think it'll fall off. It's sticking pretty good. Yeah.
Just once, guys. One time, okay? We'll just invite him one time. He doesn't have to come back. It's okay.
Mm.
You ready?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And here is our box. It's a doozy. We'll go ahead and take our paper out.
Full bubble wrap.
It's economic.
It's full bubble wrap.
It's eco-friendly. Okay. And let's start pulling stuff out.
Okay, let's start with this. Cores. Is that how you say that? Cores? Cores? Shower gel.
Sure. What scent is it?
Okay, so it looks like it is... I don't see a scent. Do you see a scent? I'm guessing maybe some sort of flower. Juniper, maybe? Is that what the J is back there?
It really doesn't say. That's weird. It smells good, though. It smells clean
Yeah,
and earthy.
Yep.
Alrighty. Next.
Next, okay. Now we have the Kristoff Robin Detox Duo.
Yes.
See?
What is it?
It is a detox scrub and then a fortifying conditioner.
Awesome. So a conditioner and a scrub. This scrub, guys, is my all-time favorite. I love Kristoff Robin, and I use it at least once a week. I'm not going to open it, but I've gotten it from Ipsy before, and I think Glossy Box, and I am addicted. If you guys have never used it, definitely have to give it a try.
Next, we have the Earth Harbor Sunshine Dew. It's an antioxidant cleansing oil.
Ooh. Can you open it and see the color?
I'm an amateur at this.
I love Earth Harbor products. I'm using a facial serum right now and then a hair oil. He knows I'm obsessed with it. But here's what that looks like. It's just a nice clear yellow color.
Looks like canola oil.
I'm sure it is.
Oh, looks like this one. This is kind of popping up. This is a Flash Lash Magnetic Eyeliner and Lashes set.
Can I hold it so it doesn't? There you go.
Alright.
Alright. These are going to be my first attempt at magnetic lashes. Let me open it up and we'll take a look and see what it looks like.
It won't be my first attempt, just in case you guys were wondering.
So it's got the tweezers. This must be the magnetic mascara. And I know I'm going to be using this soon, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it. And it's just a little simple brush. And then the eyelashes come in this really cute little compact. Does have a mirror on it. And then those are the lashes. How cute is that little set? That is adorable. Adorable. I love it.
Do this quick slick. It is, it says hair essence.
Oh, I thought I put that back. I guess I got it.
Make sure I got it the right way. Quick slick. See that okay? Quick slick. You didn't want that?
Yeah. Well, I wanted it, but I went over my budget, so I put it back, but I don't know how I still got it.
Accident.
Yeah. So here's the packaging for this. And what this is you guys know how you get, like if you have your hair back in a ponytail or something, like you get like those little frizzies or flyaways. This is to slick that down.
I thought it was like some sort of perfume you put in your hair.
Perfume that you put in your hair?
Yeah, it said hair essence. Smell it.
Well, let's see if it smells.
Holy cow.
See, like it's a little mascara wand. It smells like apples.
Yeah, it's kind of cider kind of smell. Alright, next up we've got the Lip Architect lipstick and liner.
It's a lipstick and a liner duo.
I can turn it sideways, maybe you can see it too.
This is in the color Romantic. I don't know how well you guys can see that. I never know how to show you guys the end, so sorry. If I remember right though, this is a lipstick on one end and then a lip liner on the other. Right, yeah. See, there's the packaging. Look at the little lips on the end. Is that not cute? And then it's got the roll up on that side. I'm assuming that's the lipstick because it looks awful thick for a liner, but I don't know. See what the other side looks like. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And, oh, that's nice. And it's got a roll up for the liner. Very cool.
All right. Next up, we have the Watermelon Burst Setting Powder by, oh yeah, I've heard this term, Ciate London. Is that what that is?
Ciate London.
Yeah.
Put your hand behind it.
I know.
Hide the glare. There you go.
I got it. I think I'm getting the hang of it here.
You got it.
All right, there we go.
There's the packaging, and it's all glare, so I apologize. It's got a cute little bow on it. Is the powder, and it's just a clear translucent powder.
Next up, we have another Earth Harbor. It's called Celestine Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum.
Celestine?
Is that what that is?
Celestine?
Celestine?
I don't know.
Celestine?
What is it?
Right there. Celestine?
No, but what is it? What is it?
Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum.
Ooh, Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum. I love Earth Harbor. I'm
So
going
water
to be
fattening?
set for life. Set for life with this box. Oh, look at that color. It's like a cloudy blue. That is awesome. Awesome. Next.
No. Ace Beauté Eyeshadow Amplifying Base.
It's an eyeshadow primer. Just comes in a tube like that. Little squeeze tube there.
Next up, Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Hydrating Powder.
Powder?
Powder. It says powder. Powder.
How is it in a box like this if it's a powder?
Maybe it's like a little...
Primer, honey.
It's a powder.
Primer.
Whoops.
Primer.
Primer, sorry.
It's okay. Oh, this is a pretty container. Ugh, I love rose gold. And then here's what the pump looks like. Very pretty.
Let's see, next up we have the Consuming Tray Steak. It is an eyebrow pencil in the color Espresso. See the top? Espresso.
I got this for my little sister. It might be too dark though. It didn't look that dark when I ordered it. It's supposed to be a whole set. It is not. Though look at the top of it. It's pointed. And I think it has something down here too. Okay.
Oh.
There we go. And there's the color right there. That is so dark. I don't even know that she'll use it. We'll have to see. If not, I'll just pass it along. This should come off.
Looks like you've got something going on there. It's a twist off.
Oh, there it is. Look, it's a little eyebrow gel. I knew there was something. All right, so we got a wand and then an eyebrow color. Cool.
All right, looks like we got another Earth Harbor serum. This one is Luna Rain Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum. Let's see what color this one is. Probably yellow.
We gotta smell it too. You think?
Yeah, Luna. That's good.
It's got a little smell. Fresh.
Yeah.
Like earthy.
I like the other one better.
Ooh, a cloudy yellow.
Cool. Like the moon.
You can see that on camera, yeah. Neato.
I got another bottle here. Stone Street Soap House.
Oh, I love Stone Street.
Geronimo Wholesome Body Wash.
I know you don't remember the body lotion that I got from them, but I got it my very first FabFitFun box, and it smelled so good. I want to see if this smells the same. Is it sealed or is it a bubble? It's a bubble. It does. It smells the same.
That's what?
Very, very mild smell.
Mm-hmm.
Yum. That's exciting.
Next up, we have Spongelles. This is a men's triple butter supreme buffer. Built-in body wash with black tea and coffee extract.
So it's a Spongelle for men.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
28 plus washes. This is bigger than ours, guys. Look how thick it is.
Holy cow.
It's like 2 inches thick.
Is there two of them in there or just one?
I only see one.
Okay.
It smells really good. And I don't see that it has a holder either. So I'll have to put it on a soap dish.
Yeah, I like that smell.
That smells really good.
All right. Next one up, we have another Spongelle, men's extreme buffer. This one is built-in body wash with cayenne pepper extract. Whew.
Oh my.
That ought to feel interesting.
I might have to give that one a try myself. I want to know what the cayenne pepper does. Oh, look. It's got a little mustache on the top.
Cool.
How cute is that? Oh, you can smell it from here.
It's a scratch and sniff.
This bad boy's getting open. Oh, yum.
Yep, that's got a good smell.
They're going to love that for sure.
All right. Next, we have Pitch.
Oh, I got these for you.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. What is this, like a hair thing?
It's a towel hair scrunchie.
Towel hair scrunchie. Okay. Towel hair scrunchie. For my luscious locks.
And these are really thick. I thought they'd be like soft and fluffy, but they're cute animal prints.
There's two of them in there?
Yeah, feel how thick they are.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Like they're not soft, like I thought they'd be like terry cloth, but they're like a pre-washed terry cloth, if that makes any sense. So.
All right. I think this is our last item. I'm guessing this is a palette. It's the Ace Beauté Nostalgia Palette.
My favorite. I love Ace Beauté. This is my third palette by them. And this was just my first order from the drop shop. I have another smaller one coming. Surprise.
Yay.
It does have a color saver. Here is my color story.
Pretty.
Look, I got one of those greens I was just drooling over today.
Mm-hmm.
Those are gorgeous. Yes, I always have to show you guys for like 2 seconds, and then I look at it, and then I show it again. So we've got shimmers and mattes in there, and I cannot wait to get my hands on this. Look at that one in the middle. It's like a hot pink.
Yeah, it is.
See the hot pink? Yeah, it looks like red in the camera, but it's hot pink. This is a nice summer one. Beach, popsicle, heat, raspberry, picnic, camping, fun, hiking, carnival, flip-flops, vacation, flower, water slide, theme park, stargazing, all kinds of nice summer names.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll go ahead and take off our face mask. We'll talk about how our skin feels, and then we'll close out the video.
Okay. Take my glasses off.
All right, how's your skin feel, hot stuff?
Feels nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, I feel refreshed.
You
Actually.
ever do? It is weird how that feels, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And mine feels great. A little bit sticky, but I think once it soaks in more, it's definitely going to be nice and smooth. So, all right, guys, that was everything we have for you today. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, we really appreciate it. If you're not a member of our YouTube family, guys, we love the opportunity to get to know you better. So please consider hitting that little picture of me right there in the corner, and you can subscribe to my channel. Or there's also a red box down below that you can hit to subscribe as well. I hope you all have a fantastic week. We look forward to seeing you next week. And until next time, guys, keep smiling.